What do y'all think? I feel like I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey. I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, girl, I am really excited. We have a hit on our hands, a banger, and you might as well go to the description box now before she gone. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig that we are going to be reviewing today. Again, don't mind my nails. I'm getting them done today. But this is the wig that we are going to be reviewing today. And can I tell you, I'm really excited about this. Like, I am very, very excited about this. I think it looks really cute on the stock card. And I have the color Chunky Highlight 27. So I'm hoping that it looks cute. I'm hoping that the shirt is not too much. If so, I'm just going to change it. But yes, this is Dashley Lace Unit 37. It says butterfly cut. I'm assuming like that's what they mean in terms of like how the wig is layered and cut and stuff. So let's get into it. Let's open her. See, that ain't right. I'm already struggling as is. That ain't right. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's open her up and see what she is giving. Okay, let me not judge too soon. But this is what the color is giving. This brown is kind of like, it has a purple kind of hue to it. It's not really showing up like that on camera, but in person, it kind of has like a purplish undertone. Okay, so here is the wig. Fresh out, I must say. I do like the way it feels. So this is the construction. It has combs on the side. This is a middle part. It has comb in the back as well as adjustable straps. Your typical construction. The part is doing good things. We like that. When I tell you the weather sucks, like it's just cloudy and rainy. It's been raining on and off the past couple of days. And it's just like, can I please see some sunshine? I really need it right now. Like, come on. This is a little tight. Ooh, okay. I think I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna love it, actually. I can't even, my nails is so like all broken and lifted that I can't even run my fingers through anything because it get caught up under my SNS. I think I'm gonna like it. And actually, this color looks cute with the shirt. At first, I thought it was gonna be too much. Okay, so what I'm about to do is get to styling. The part, honestly, is a little tight, just a little bit. But that's all I'm probably really gonna have to do is tint to the part. And I'm only gonna probably get the very front. And then I'm going to probably add powder and stuff like that, cut the lace off. And then we're gonna really see what she's giving, because right now I look like I got a head mitt on. Oh yeah, let's get into styling. Okay, so we are done. Now listen, this is a Dashley unit and it doesn't necessarily offer like the super pre-plugged, super natural density kind of a lace part option. It does not offer that, and I knew that going into it, but you get a lower price point because I just don't understand why the price of synthetic wigs is so high these days. Like, what's going on? The way these synthetic wigs are priced these days, you might as well just save what you was gonna buy for one synthetic wig and save that 2 times over and go get yourself a cheap little raggedy human wig that at least you could like wash it and add heat to it and blah blah blah. But whatever, I digress. I just went on a tangent. But with the Dashley units, you don't get that, but you get a lower price point, and I'm completely fine with doing a little bit of extra work for like the price point, because just it's crazy out here. I did have to go in and pluck the part just a little bit, not too much, and again, I don't mind. I added powder to the part. What do y'all think? I feel like I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Stop what you're doing right now and go to the description box and click the link and go buy this wig right now in this same exact color, because it's definitely giving. Initially, I was like, it's giving like a purple hue, and look how the sun is trying to come out. You heard me complaining earlier. God heard my cries, okay? Hello, sun. Welcome to the party. But yes, like I feel like earlier I was like, this kind of giving like a purple undertone. I don't know, but it is beautiful. And again, I also was kind of feeling like, is this gonna be too much with the shirt? It's not, it's just enough. Let's get into it. This is Dashley Lace Unit 37. I have it in the color Chunky Highlight 27. It is curl and iron safe up to 400 degrees. It is a center part. And I feel like for me, like I said, I'm in love. It's a go. It's a win. I really love the layers, and on her, it gives more like flipped out. If you could see, like on the stock card, it gives more like flipped out, but on me, it's kind of not doing that. If you want it to flip out like that, you kind of have to keep on adjusting it and flipping it out yourself. But I don't mind how it's falling just naturally. I still think it looks very, very pretty just the way it's falling naturally. I do not mind. I absolutely am in love with all of the layers and dimension that it has in terms of the length, like I said, the layers, but also the color. Like I just love the combination of the two. It is gorgeous. If you could see, like it's like a golden kind of a moment to the brown, and it just blends so beautifully. I love the way it looks. Okay, y'all, so that is pretty much it. I definitely 1000% recommend this wig in this color. Now, bear in mind, I haven't tried any other color, so I'm biased, but I love this color. I love the combination of the layers and the color. It just gives it so much, and it looks so pretty. So I definitely recommend you trying it out. If you're interested, I will have it linked in the description box for you to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought down in the comments of the wig. Like, isn't she just giving like grown, sexy, sophisticated kind of a, you know, like I love that. But let me know down in the comments what you thought. I'm trying to hurry up because the sun is peeking out and I want to get a taste. Okay, so yeah, I'll link the wig in the description. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend. What else I say? Oh, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye. The vitamin D of it all. Thank you very much. See how quick that just elevated my spirits?